Hello and welcome to the Jamf Parent App Introduction video series. This video will cover the installation and setup of the Jamf Parent app for both Jamf School and Jamf Pro. The student iPad must be managed by the school, have Jamf as the management solution, and have the Parent app enabled. It's also necessary for the parents to link the student iPad to the Parent app on the parent's device. Parent's device can either be an iPhone or an iPad, and they can also use their Apple Watch. School staff will set up the time periods that parents may manage the child's iPad, including access on the weekends and over school breaks. We'll now go through the process of a parent linking their iPhone or iPad to the student's iPad. To begin, we need to download the Parent app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad. I'll go into the search window and I'll simply type Jamf, J-A-M-F, Parent. There's only one app. It doesn't matter if my school is using Jamf School or Jamf Pro for their device management. It's still the one app. I can go get. In this case, I'm just going to re-download and wait for it to download, and then I'll open. Now I'll open the app. I'll have to go through several steps of accepting some information. It's going to want to use my Bluetooth. It's going to want to use location and notifications. I'll allow that. Depending on the system used by the school, you could use either a QR code to link the parent's device to the student iPad, or you may have been issued a parent login and password. In this video, I'll only be showing using the QR code. Prior to linking any student iPad, you'll be presented with a Get Started page, then an option to use the QR code or the user ID and password. We'll select QR code. It'll ask to use my camera, and now I'll need the student's iPad. So on the student's iPad, I'll go ahead and open the Jamf Student app, and in the upper right-hand corner, select the Settings tab. I'll choose Authorize Parent. And immediately the QR code comes up, and on the parent's device, they get the message to go ahead and confirm. I'll quickly see that a student's iPad has been added. And if I go into that, I'll now see some options. These options will be covered in additional videos, like allowing apps, the device rules, and what you can find under the device. If I go back to the main console, I can add an additional child. Same step will be presented. I can use the QR code or a sign-in. And at this point, I could actually have a child's iPad that's at a school that's using Jamf School and another school that's using Jamf Pro. And while I'll use the same process to add the child, there could be slightly different functionality for what a parent can do to the child's iPad depending on which Jamf system it is enrolled in at the school.